Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you the Amazfit Smartwatch Balance 2. And let me tell you, this thing is absolutely packed with features that'll blow your mind. This is the 38mm model in sleek black, and it comes with a bonus red strap, so you can switch up your style whenever you want. Let's talk about what makes this watch special. First off, the design is stunning. It's got this elegant circular dial with a beautiful AMOLED display that's super vibrant and crisp. The 38mm size is perfect. Not too big, not too small. It sits perfectly on your wrist. Now, performance-wise, this watch is seriously impressive. It's got advanced health monitoring features, including heart rate tracking, blood oxygen levels, and sleep quality analysis. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just want to keep tabs on your wellness, this watch has you covered. The battery life is phenomenal. We're talking about 14 days of regular use, which means you're not constantly charging this thing. That's a massive advantage over other smartwatches on the market. For the fitness buffs out there, Amazfit included over 150 sports modes. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or doing yoga, there's a mode for it. The GPS is incredibly accurate, and it tracks your routes, pace, distance, and calories burned with precision. The smart features are equally impressive. You get notifications for calls, messages, and apps. You can control your music right from your wrist, check the weather, and even make contactless payments if your region supports it. The build quality is outstanding. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, so you can wear it while swimming without worry. The band is comfortable for all-day wear, and that included red strap gives you a nice color option. Interface-wise, navigation is smooth and intuitive. The touchscreen responds quickly, and everything feels responsive and well optimized. If you're in the market for a reliable, feature-rich smartwatch that won't break the bank, the Amazfit Balance 2 is absolutely worth considering. It delivers flagship features at a price that makes sense, and the included red strap is just the cherry on top. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing product reviews, and let me know in the comments what smartwatch features matter most to you. Thanks for watching.
superstar.